Tearing into the Pinarayi Vijayan-led CPIM over its role in the missing baby case, the Congress on Wednesday said the handing over of Anupama's baby to an Andhra couple was child trafficking, not adoption, and held Kerala government responsible for it. On Tuesday evening, the DNA test had confirmed that former SFI leader Anupama Chandran and Ajit are the biological parents of the baby. Speaking to the media, leader of opposition V.D. Sadishan leveled a serious allegation on the role played by Vijayan and his party leadership. Handing over the baby boy to adoptive parents in Andhra Pradesh was not adoption but a case of child trafficking. With each passing day, the conspiracy in the case got unearthed. There has been a total foul play and every rule in adoption was thrown to the winds and the authorities concerned acted in the most irresponsible manner, said Sadishan. The fight to get her child back has reached its last stage for the 22-year-old mother who has been waging a war for the same for over a month. The DNA test results came positive on Tuesday and the authorities allowed the parents to see their child presently housed under government custody. On Wednesday morning, the detailed probe on this conducted by senior bureaucrat T.V. Anupama, director of the Women and Child Development Department, was completed. The report, according to sources, indicted the two agencies responsible for adoption, Kerala State Council for Child Welfare and the Child Welfare Committee, of having committed serious violations. This contradicts the claims made by the State Health Minister Veena George. Till date, Vijayan has not said a single word on this issue. He has to come out of the silence, added Sadishan. On hearing the media reports of the senior bureaucrat's report, Anupama expressed happiness. I'm very happy that the truth is coming out, as everything what the council and the Child Welfare Committee did on this adoption was grossly wrong. Just imagine the plight of Andhra couple who got my baby in adoption. Despite my complaints and pleas, the Child Welfare Committee and Council did nothing and they did the wrong. All this could have been avoided if they had done their job in a responsible manner, said Anupama, the now happy mother who is all likely to get her baby very soon. Incidentally, the first battle was won by Anupama when on Sunday night, a 4-member team formed on the directions of the Child Welfare Committee returned with the missing baby from Andhra Pradesh. On Monday, the couple and the baby's samples were taken for the DNA test. It was a family court which acted first, and when it was about to give the final clearance for the adoption, a huge media blitz came as a court to Anupama. The Pinarayi Vijayan government directed the Child Welfare Committee and Kerala State Council for Child Welfare to act quickly after the court stopped all the follow-up procedures for legalizing the adoption to the Andhra couple. Anupama, the SFI activist and the granddaughter of one of the top most yesteryear CPIM leaders in the state capital, and her husband Ajit, had approached the state police chief and the Child Welfare Committee. But it was only after the couple approached the media that things started to move in their favor, and now all eyes are on when she will get her baby boy, and for the family court will decide sooner than later. Meanwhile, with Vijayan under severe duress, in all likelihood heads are likely to roll, and on the dock are N. Sunanda, who heads the council, and Shiju Khan, who is in charge of Child Welfare Committee, and both these are political appointments made by Vijayan, reports IANS. News Desk, Comedy Global.